Welcome to video part 7, Document Statuses, in this series of eDocs support tutorials. The statuses that documents transition through within the eDocs system are draft, purchased, prepared for signing, and marked as signed. There is no cost for accessing the system, and a document is only charged when it is moved to the purchase status. The draft status is where all documents will start, allowing you to make changes to any fields within the document. When printed, documents in this status will have a draft watermark displayed across them, which will remain in place until the document becomes purchased. Once you are happy with the content of your draft document, you can then purchase the document. To purchase the document, you can either consume credit that is already available on your account, or you can purchase credit at the time you want to transition your document to the purchase status. You will be prompted to purchase credit if your account balance has insufficient credit available to purchase the document. For more details, see video part 13, Purchasing Credit. Purchasing a document will lock any fields that are marked in the document wizard as required fields, and will also remove the draft watermark on the printed document. With the exception of the locked fields, you can continue to edit documents in the purchase status should you have any last-minute or unexpected changes. Any administrative changes that are made to a document by master builders will not affect your documents once they have been purchased, being mindful that your negotiations have been based on the document you have proceeded to purchase. Once you have settled on the details of your document and are ready for it to be signed, you can then prepare it for signing. You have two options to get your document signed. You can select the electronic paperless option facilitated by our integrated DocuSign service, or you can opt for the traditional manual signature process. Either way, the prepare for signing step is where you can nominate the individuals who are required to sign the document, manually or electronically, with the option to define how many signature fields are printed on your document. For more information on the signature options, watch video part 6, Getting Your Document Signed and Electronic Signatures. Once your document has been signed by all parties, it then moves to the marked as signed status. For manually signed documents, you can return to the document and click on the Mark as Signed button, and for electronically signed documents, this will happen for you automatically. This step completes the process for that document. It is recommended and good practice to save your completed documents to your own local computer, storage facility, or cloud-based location, as eDocs will not store documents long-term. For more information about saving your documents, watch video part 5, Printing. And for more information about the deletion process in eDocs, watch video part 10, Document Deletion. To learn more about eDocs, continue to watch the other videos in this series, or if you need to speak to someone, contact your local Master Builder's office.